So where a lot of this comes from is the VA does have a 1% unallowable. If we think back to about 10 years ago, maybe a little bit more, but a lot of mortgage companies used to have a 1% origination fee. And that was pretty standard for a lot of mortgage companies. Most of them now have a flat fee. So there are two lenders that I know of that still incorporate the 1% origination fee. One of those is Veterans United Home Loans, and the other is Rocket Mortgage. And Rocket Mortgage is a bit of a coin flip. But here's a very quick list of items that the VA says that the veteran cannot pay for if and only if the lender charges a 1% origination fee. Number one is a lender inspection. And this might be something that comes up on the appraisal. If it does not come up on the appraisal, the lender cannot ask for it. Number two, the appraisal. Again, if the lender is charging a 1% origination fee, then the lender cannot charge for the appraisal. Number three, settlement fees, escrow fees, doc prep fees, things of that nature, which you would see on your loan estimate or closing disclosure. Again, if the lender is charging a 1% origination fee, then the veteran cannot pay for those fees. Number four, an application fee. Now, you don't really see this that often, but there are some brokers out there that will charge an application fee, and it's an upfront cost to the veteran buyer. Again, if the lender is charging a 1% origination fee, you guessed it, then the veteran cannot pay for it. Number five, and this is one of the bigger ones that is completely missed, is the pest inspection, or the WDI, wood destroying insect inspection or report. If the lender is charging a 1% origination fee, the veteran cannot pay for it. Number six, attorney fees if for something other than title work, assignment fees, copying fees, email fees. Those are incredibly rare, but once again, if the lender is charging a 1% origination fee, the veteran cannot pay for it. So here's the thing, a lot of people start hearing that the lender is charging this 1% origination fee. The 1% origination fee is 1% of your loan amount. If you have a $400,000 loan amount, 1% of $400,000 is $4,000, and that would be your lender fee in that case. Like I said, most mortgage lenders have gotten rid of the 1% origination fee. There are a few that still have it. Thankfully, my team and I, we do not charge our nation's heroes any lender fees on VA loans. So what happens here when a lot of people begin to misconstrue and misinterpret this, the lender having a 1% origination fee, they just assume that the veteran doesn't really pay for any of these extra fees and it's all on the seller. If the lender is charging a 1% origination fee, then there's just a list of items that the veteran can't pay for. It does not mean that the lender can't help pay for those things. It doesn't mean the real estate agent can't help pay for these things. It just means that the veteran can't pay for it. That's all. It's very sad to me to see all the misinformation out there around the VA home loan benefits. And whereas I do not have any definitive evidence for what I'm about to say here, what I think happened is some moron loan officer who didn't really understand the VA many moons ago told some real estate agent, oh, they got to pay for that. The seller has to pay for this. And probably they were charging a 1% origination fee and just said, oh yeah, the veteran always has to pay for this. Well, again, that's because they were charging a 1% origination fee. Once again, with your detective hats on, as you continue to dig for the truth, I'm going to put the ball in your court. Does the seller have to pay for the veteran's fees on a VA loan? Leave a comment, let me know what you think, or leave a comment and tell me your story about using your VA home loan benefit to buy your home.